Okay, in this video I'm going to look at charting in Excel. So I'm going to start with a simple pie chart. I highlight the data, select Insert, and I click on the pie chart. And now we look at this as context sensitive. When the page is selected, I don't see the charts up here, chart options. When the chart's selected, I have chart options up here. And I'm going to look at some of the different options I have. I can put the percentages on. I can have the title up here above. So that's just a quick way of looking at my chart options. I can also insert a title this way, no title, and title above the chart. I'm going to use the question, so I'll highlight the question. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to click in here. I'm going to use paste, and that's going to be my chart title. So I have a number of different options that I can choose from. And there we go. I think I'll have the percentage on percentage and data here on this one. Now if I do file and print, I can see that I'm printing just the chart. If I want the chart to be part of the page, I click away and I do file and print, and the chart is now on the page. Unfortunately the chart is over the page. Some of the options I have include making the page landscape, and now we can see file and print that it shows on the page. I can also remember to go to view, and by selecting page layout I can see page break view. I can see where my page ends, and in this case it ends over here. I can make the chart smaller by holding it in the corner and dragging it down. I can also copy a chart by selecting the chart, and I can copy it, and I can go into Microsoft Word if I wish, and I can paste it. So I can paste the chart from Excel to Word or any other Microsoft package, and a number of other packages as well. Let's look at another type of chart. I'm going to select this data here, insert bar chart. Let's do a 3D bar chart, and what I'll do now is I'll do layout, and I'll look for my chart title, put it above. I'm going to use the question again. I'll highlight this, I'll copy it, click inside here, and I'll paste that. I'm going to remove the legend. I don't need the legend, so I look for the legend and I say none, so I don't have the legend here now. But in this case what I'm going to put is some axis titles. So titles below the axis down here, and I call this number of responses. And I'm going to add another axis over here, and I'm going to call this questions. Questions. Okay, one final chart that we'll look at. Look at the line chart down here. So I have my data in here, some temperatures. Insert line, choose whichever line style you like, and what I'm going to do on this one is I'm going to look at the data. So I'm going to select the data, series 1, edit, and I'm going to get my series name by clicking on this one and selecting the name up here. And then I press enter and OK, and then I'm going to do it for the same thing for series 2. Select series 2, edit, and the series name is going to come from here, and enter and OK. Now the series name is coming from this section over here, because this series name in the data may change and you want that to be updated here, so it's better to link in than to embed it in the chart. The same thing here for the chart titles as with the other ones. And come to layout. I can add my chart title and all of the other data just as with the others. Okay, that's been a brief introduction to charts. Thank you.